What's up, guys? Today we're going to do something a little different and fix the underglow on my car. You guys know in this video up here, I fixed my underglow in the wintertime because it was hanging down and dragging on the ground. Not good. Today we're actually going to extend all of my wires on the underglow and mount it with new tape and make it look like it's not even there, so you can't see any wires or anything like that until you actually get closer. Because right now there is a lot of wires that you can see, especially inside the car. So I want to try to run the wires through the firewall. And I read online on a forum that you can run it through the grommet beneath the brake and gas pedal. So that's what I'm going to try and do. First things first, we need to tear this old junk underglow off the car. It's out! That was fun. Now that the harness is out, let me go this way. Now that the harness is out, we can, or not we, I can start to extend the wires that need to be extended. First, probably need to measure, but yeah. I need to measure, extend the wires, put new tape on, and then we can put it back on. So what you guys just saw me do was I cleaned all of the underglow off and I applied new tape to it, and I wrapped it in Tessa tape where it's going to be visible inside the engine bay. This is what the extension looks like. I didn't wrap that just because it doesn't need to be. It's not going to be seen, it's going to be under the car, because this is the one that goes the rear bumper, and that's the only one that needed to be extended. Now, I have you can see I ran the wire through that grommet right there, behind the clutch pedal, next to the steering shaft. Where that comes out is, hold your horse again, comes out right here. It's going to come up here, and all the cords are going to be ran very nicely. And you're basically not going to know that this thing has underglow until I turn it on. Now the plan is to get the underglow installed, and I'm going to have to check my car up again because it's a different day. And I'll show you the process. this is what the car looks like with the new Underglow. And as you can see, the rear one is sitting up on that black shield thing. I think that's a perfect place to put it, but I couldn't put it there when I put the Underglow on because the cord was too short and I didn't want to do any of that at that second. So yeah, and then the side ones, I mean, they're basically in the same exact place. And in the front, it looks so good on the front. I'll show you. Look at the front. I'll turn the lights off. I think the front looks really freaking awesome too. I think that looks awesome. So my inspiration for this, if you care, was the Evo on Too Fast, Too Furious. It has the Underglow on the grill, or in like the hood area, and it shines down, and then the sides. So that's what I was kind of going for, and I think I did it pretty well. I think it looks awesome. Well, that's your video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, I'm sorry. But next video should be very interesting. It's something under the hood again. So we're starting with the performance mods again. And it's going to be really nice. By the way, I'm still looking for a rear lip. Somebody in my last video commented, but I haven't looked at it yet. So I'll have to look at that, and I'll get back to you. But yes, I just can't believe it's so hard to find a rear lip. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, please like it. And if you want to check out my other videos, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.